you've made it this far. Thank you very much and congratulations. One of the languages or one of the things that is very important and will help fuel your achievement is determination. Let me be frank with you, the journey can be very tough and rough, but with determination, I know you are going to be able to create a very stunning website. And possibly with the languages you'll be learning, you can also be able to even create simple games. Is very possible if you mean to do it. So let us hitch through and then download our first editor, write our first line of code. So let's once again launch our web browser. Web browsers, when we say web browser, it is a software that helps us to communicate on the internet. So an example is the Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox. You can mention dozens, but I'm going to use the Google Chrome. And then let's create a new page or tab and type in the address bar Microsoft Visual Studio Code. So Microsoft Visual Studio Code, and then we follow any of the links to download it. So you can pause the video and then download it. Once the download is complete, you open to, let's say, your downloads folder, and then you install it. You resume the video and then we continue. I'm done with my download. I'm going to install my Visual Code. You should see something like this, and you double click on it or you right click. Once you right click, you are going to see the options, and then you install. So maybe you run as administrator or open, but I have double clicked on it, so I'm still going to get my feedback this way. And like this, this is basically the interface, but we are going to set it or adjust it in a way that is going to be comfortable for our use. So let's click on the maximize, the button to maximize it, and then we are going to, so you can see if you want a light background, you select this, and if you want a dark background, these are basically the themes that you use, but I am going for the dark background. And then I am also going to create, let me mark all as done, so that so basically this is the first this is the interface, the first encounter that you have with Microsoft Visual Studio Code. And we are going to write all the code to build the website also in the Visual Studio Code. One more thing that is important, please, you might want to install Google Chrome. I prefer that you install it. And before we end this lesson, let's come over to the extension over tab here, and let's install one important extension called the Live Server. So you type here and you search for Live Server. The Live Server will help us run whatever we are doing online. Okay, so Live Server, and then let's install it. So you click on install. You can install a couple of the other ones too. You can install a couple of the other ones too. And once you are done, we start writing the code. So let's meet in the next video. It's going to be full of joy. Thank you very much for coming this far.